In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to calculate, or how Progressive calculates, the 65% buyout option. Progressive gives every customer two opportunities to buy out their leases early. One is the 90-day payment option. The other is the 65% buyout option. To better understand how this works, it's important to know that Progressive purchases the merchandise from the dealer and the customer leases it from Progressive until it's paid off. Now, a typical lease is 12 months. So all customers are signing up for a 12-month lease. However, they get two opportunities to buy out these leases early. One, as we mentioned, a 90-day payment option, which is explained in a previous tutorial, or this 65% buyout option, which we're going to walk through right now. So in this example, we're going to use a simple round number of $1,000 that the customer is financing. So $1,000 is the amount being financed. And then there is a 10% initial payment, which we explain in the approval form tutorial. So the 10% initial payment is equal to $100. Now, this is not a down payment, as we discussed in the approval form tutorial. So the customer will make an initial payment or application fee of $100. The amount being financed is still $1,000. So Progressive will take the amount being financed and multiply that times 1.8 to come up with the amount of the full term lease, which in this example would be 1,000 times 1.8, or $1,800. To calculate monthly, bi-weekly, and weekly payments, Progressive will take the $1,800 and divide that by 12 for monthly, which is equal to $150. Bi-weekly, which is 26 weeks, that's equal to $69.23. Or if the customer qualifies for weekly, they'll take the $1,800, divide that by 52, which will give the customer a weekly payment of $34.62. So, now that we understand how Progressive calculates monthly, bi-weekly, and weekly payments, we can understand better how they calculate the 65% buyout. So to keep it simple, we're going to assume the customer made 6 monthly payments at $150, and that totals $900. So we're going to say 6 monthly payments at $150 equals $900. So the customer has made $900 worth of payments to Progressive. At this point, the customer decides they want to pay off their merchandise early and own the merchandise outright. All they'll have to do is call Progressive, request a buyout and an amount. Progressive will then look at the full lease term, which in this example is $1,800. They'll subtract the $900 worth of payments and come up with a remaining balance on the lease of $900. At that point, Progressive will multiply that $900 remaining balance times 65%, and that will give them a total of $585. So all the customer will need to do is send Progressive $585, and they will own their merchandise outright.